What are you doing?
Underneath, babe. Over there.
Huh?
Underneath.
Underneath.
Underneath the computer.
Underneath my clothes.
Very good. Good job. Good job. Good job.
Sometimes.
Sus, kagwapo sa kuang-kuan, oy. Very handsome. My boy. What do you call of that if it is a nanny is a boy? Still a nanny?
A butler?
A butler?
I don't know.
Ako, gihana, oy. Very good, babe.
Servant?
A servant. A servant, no? Lami nga servant. Lami nga servant. Right, babe?
Sure.
Lami kaayo nga servant. Give me a smile.
Who smiles when they clean?
Me! I smile when I clean.